Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your navigation bar height. So Samsung lets you adjust the height of your navigation bar, so the bar with your home, back and recent buttons. So you can shrink it for more screen space, or you can make it taller for easier tapping. So as you can see, it's currently right now the maximum. However, you can go ahead and shrink this. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Navstar. Now you want to go ahead and turn this feature on, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down and find this option, Customize Navigation Bar Height. So as you can see, it's currently to the right hand side. However, you can go ahead and make this smaller by swiping it to the left. So as you can see, it has now become smaller. If I take it to the right, this will make it larger. If I take it in the middle, this will make it like a medium height. And if I make it to the left, it'll be smaller. So now if I press home, you'll see that my navigation bar, my recent, home and back has all become a smaller icon. So you have more usable screen. A smaller bar gives you more vertical space for apps, videos and browsing. A taller bar will make it more easier to press buttons, especially on large screens like the S25 Ultra. You have your personal comfort, so everyone holds their phone differently, and this lets you optimize your grip. So there you go guys, that is how to customize the navigation bar height on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.